everyone! I really want to make my deposit bigger today, and I can see that you're ready for training for today with me, and it is very cool. And I'm very happy to get the feedback and questions about my strategy, because I can see that it is interesting for people and they really want to figure it out. It means that all the videos that I shoot and the Telegram chat that I have it is very important thing, and it's very useful for others. It makes me feel superior, actually. Absolutely. And if you're not a member of my Telegram chat yet, just click on the link under this video and you will get into the Telegram, and write me the code word private, because I'm gathering a very big team of people interested in trading and I want you to be with me. And of course you can find the Telegram channel with the reviews from guys who are already members of this chat. They share their results, they share their ideas there. Just come and see that. And so don't forget to subscribe to the channel, put your like, write a comment, and we're ready to start. So hi everyone, today I will be overclocking my deposit and start with only $1. So my plan today is to reach $10,000, and as usual I will be working according to my strategy. So watch this video to the end, because I will show and tell you everything I know and I do. So guys, many of you already know that I trade on 15-second Japanese candlesticks, and also I use the resistance and the support levels in my trading, and then uptrend, the downtrend, scalping, and other patterns of the market situations. So guys, let's start and find the first situation. So I reminded the chat to the left, and here you can see the level. It is the mirror one. So let's return to the beginning of our chart, and at this period of time the price is approaching our level from top to bottom. This situation reminds me about the technical analysis figure called descending triangle. So guys, let's open a trade for 3 minutes with down, because the general trend is going down and the price maximum is getting lower. So, and here you can see they're sticking to the level, and also this triangle is about to finish its existence, and you know the price is at the very end of this figure. So logically very soon there will be the exit from this figure and the price should go down. So I think this time will be enough for this thing. Well guys, it's excellent. The support level was broken through and we have got the profit. So 3 minutes were enough here. You can see that. So the price confidently went down. There was a logical exit from these figures. So this situation is brilliant today. It's a very good start. Let's continue. So here we can see the support level, and also right now it is a very good downward movement happening. The price touched the support level and there was a small rollback upwards, and after that the price is starting to move to our level and even stick to this level. So in this situation the price can move in this price range, and here I would like to open a trade for 3 minutes with down, because very soon this level will be broken through, I suppose, and the price has a very good potential for a decrease here. Well guys, it's very good. There was a good rollback up, and after this the down movement continued. We have closed our trade profitable, so this time was enough here. Also you can see that at the moment the price hasn't broken through the support level yet, so let's open the next trade here. Let's do it for 3 minutes with down, because I think that very soon this level will be broken through and we need to check it. Well, this level hasn't been broken through yet, so there was an upward impulse, and after that the down movement continued again. We have closed our trade profitable, so the price lost its power to go down. So let's continue and consider the next situation. So here you can see the level of resistance, and at this moment the price is starting to break through our level. So in this situation we will open a trade for 2 minutes with up. I think that very soon the price will continue its upward movement and this level will be broken through, because there is a very confident upward movement here. So guys, let's wait and see. Well, it's excellent. You can see that price impulsively broken through this level. We have got the very good profit. So you also can see that the price is starting to fade. The candlesticks are getting smaller and only wicks are left. So in this situation, we will open a trade for 1 minute. We're down, and I think it will be a small rollback down, and we need to check it. Well, guys, it's excellent. There was the rollback down. We have got the profit. 1 minute was just enough here. So let's continue. So here you can see the support level, and also you can notice that there is a very good downward movement in this situation. So let's open a trade for 3 minutes. We're down because there is still a place to the support level, and I think the price will keep on moving to this level. So let's see what can I have here. Well, it's not bad. The price continued its downward movement, and we have got the profit again. So 3 minutes was enough here. So let's keep on out trading. Well, here you can see the support level, and also you can see that the price has been moving towards our level, and also the support level gives us enough place, and we need to open a trade. We're down for 3 minutes because the price will certainly continue to move to this level because it's a very good potential for a fall, and also the price maximum is getting lower, and this kind of sticking to the level. So guys, let's wait. Well, guys, it's not bad. The price continued moving down, and we have got the profit again. So you can see the price hasn't broken through our support level yet. So, and you can see a small flat is happening right now and sticking to our level. So let's open the next trade. Here again, we're down. I think the price will break through this level and then go down, and 2 minutes here will be enough. Well, it's not bad. The price continued moving down. So this level was broken through. As I said, we got very brilliant profit. So let's continue and find another situation to trade. Well, here you can see the resistance level, and right now the price has already broken through this level. So let's open the trade for 1 minute. We're down because after the breakthrough the price is starting to slow its pace, and you can see small candlesticks and long wicks. So maybe there will be a pullback down to the support level, because after this breakthrough the resistance level becomes the support one. Well, guys, it's very good. The price dropped to the support level, and we have got the profit, and as I said, 1 minute was enough here. So you also can see that from the support level the price is going on moving up. So in this situation we need to open a trade for 3 minutes with up, because the price has a very good potential for an increase here, and also it fixed over the level and is going on moving up. So let's check it. Well, it's not bad. After the small rollback, the price continued moving up, and we have got the profit. So 3 minutes was enough here. Let's continue and find another interesting situation. Well, here you can see the resistance level, and also you can notice that there is a very good upward movement here. The price has slowed its pace a little bit, its accumulation. So you also can see the price touch this level, and this situation is very good for opening a trade with up, because the price will continue moving up, and maybe this level will be broken through, because I can see and you can see this potential for an increase is very good. So, and we are opening this trade with the reserve, because I can expect a small flat maybe. Well, guys, you can see the price has been moved quite impulsively, but anyway, this level has been broken through. The profit is ours. So right now the price impulsively moving up. So in most cases, after this impulsive breakthrough, there is the bounce in the opposite direction. So let's open the next here again. Just let's wait until the price slows down, then we'll open a trade where down. So right now the price is slowing down, so let's open a trade for 1 minute where down. I think that there will be a small pullback down, and this time will be enough for this. Well, guys, it's not bad. Here we have got the small flat, but anyway, the pullback down happened and we have taken our profit. So everything is very good. Let's continue. Well, here you can see the resistance level, and also you can notice the price has been moving to our level quite confidently, and right now the price is slowing its pace and there is the pullback appearing. So let's open a trade for 1 minute with down, because I think we will get a small pullback down, because in most cases after the impulsive approaching the level there is the opposite direction bounce. Well, it's not bad, really. The pullback down happened and we have got the profit, so let's keep on our trading. Well, here you can see the support level, and you can see that there is a very good downward movement. The price impulsively touched this level, then there was upward rollback. So now the price is again moving to our level and sticking to our level. So let's open a trade with down for 3 minutes here, because very soon the price will continue moving to this level and 3 minutes will be enough for this. So guys, let's check it. Well, it's very good. The down movement continued and here we have got the profit. So 3 minutes was enough here. So you also can see that at this moment the support level hasn't been broken through yet, so let's open the next trade here. Just let's wait a little bit for the further developments of the situation, and if the price starts to break through this level, we will enter with down. If for some time there is some kind of small flat or maybe roll back up, so we will enter a trade with down. So guys, here you can see the moment there has been a roll back up, so let's open a trade with down for 3 minutes. The price will probably continue its movement to this level, and maybe very soon this level will be broken through and we need to check it. Well, it's not bad. We have got on a small flat, but the down movement continued. We have taken our profit and it is very good. So the price has been moving in this range and the support level hasn't been broken through yet, but I really think it will happen very soon. So let's open the next trade here again with down for 3 minutes. And even if this level isn't broken through yet, so the price will continue moving to this level, because it is a very good potential of a price for down. Well, it's not bad. The price continued moving down and we have got the profit. So the price is starting to break through this level, so 3 minutes were enough here, so let's continue. Well, I reverted the chart to the left and I am setting the support level due to the candlesticks. So let's return, and here you can see that there is a very good downward movement, and to the support level there is still a place, so we can open a trade for 3 minutes with down. The price will probably continue moving to this level, and this time will be enough here, I suppose. Well, it's very good. So the price continued moving down. We have got the profit, and this time was enough here. So you also can see the price hasn't approached the support level yet. So let's open the next trade here. So right now the price is moving quite impulsively and the price maximum is getting lower. So after the rollback up, the price is going on moving to the support level. So let's open a trade with down for 3 minutes here, because the price will probably continue moving down, and this time will be enough for this. Well, it's very good. So the price kept on moving down. We have got the profit again, and you can see that the support level was broken through. Everything is very good and we can continue. So here you can see the support level, and right now it is a downward movement. So the price has been moving in this range, and in this situation we will open a trade for 3 minutes with down, because I think this level will be broken through very soon and there is a very good potential for a decrease here. Well, guys, it's not bad. The price continued its downward movement and we have got the profit. So 3 minutes were enough here. So you also can see that after the breakthrough of the level, the price returned to its previous range. And having touched the downtrend line, it is going on and moving down. So right now, it's some kind of accumulation. And I think that very soon this level will be broken through completely and the price will go down. So let's open the next trade here. So our deposit is already $8,000 and we need just to open the last trade for today. So let me wait and watch the price, and if it again touches the downtrend, so we will open a trade way down. So the price approached the line of a downtrend. Let's open a trade way down for 3 minutes, and I think that in this situation the down movement will continue and this level will be broken through completely. Well, guys, it's not bad. There was a roll back up, and after that the down movement continued. We have got the profit. So 3 minutes were enough for this. So the situations on the market can be different, you know this, and you can expect everything, but it is not about to happen definitely. So you can see that this level hasn't been broken through yet, but anyway we have got our profit, $10,000, and I think it's high time to finish our trading because all the situations were quite good, quite profitable, and we got the brilliant result, and it's the most important thing for today. So friend, thank you so much for joining me in today's trading. You and I got the very good result. It means that you and I are very good company, the best team, and that's why I'm inviting you to my Telegram chat. And you just need to click on the link under this video, get into my Telegram and write me the code word private. I will add you there. You will get the access to trading signals that I post there. The trading signals are with the yield of 80-90%, and you will have access and get the chance to ask any questions you have. So guys, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, put your like, write a comment, have the best day ever, and I'll see you in the next videos.